Whoop. So it's time for more peanuts. This time we got Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown and Lucy are leaning their elbows on the side of a bridge. I presume that they're staring into a flowing creek. Lucy asks Charlie Brown, "How can you tell if you have a broken heart?" In panel 2, Charlie Brown turns to Lucy, stares her in the eyes, and says, "Well, for one thing, if you have a broken heart, you can't sleep at night." In panel 3, Charlie has turned away from Lucy and is now once again staring, blank-faced, into the great beyond. Lucy has turned to him now. But Charlie is saying, "When you roll over in bed, the jagged edges poke you in the side." In the final panel, Lucy, frowning, tells Charlie, "I'm glad I talked to an expert."